We did have the Alpine Energy case in 2014, which was where a man was made redundant, had to reapply for a new position, and missed out. He made an allegation of age discrimination in the Human Rights Review Tribunal based on the fact that the successful candidates were 20 years his junior, and he'd been with the company for many, many years. And the tribunal in that case made an order of discovery of the details of the successful individuals. So, you know, again, the courts are pushing us and the tribunal's pushing us in one direction. The privacy principle, I think, would be that, no, it's not about the individual, it's about the successful candidate. The other scenario, can I just ask, is this employer subject to the Official Information Act? Because that does change things as well. My default would be you don't disclose the information about the successful applicant unless you're forced to on appeal. Let's not forget that the individual concerned may consent. So let's not forget that we are there trying to protect people, and if they don't want to be protected, why waste our energy? This is out, you know, privacy protections are about respecting individual autonomy and control. In a way, we kind of chuck that out the window if we say, well, we're forging ahead because of the point of principle to protect you whether you want it or not, where they might be quite happy to accede to an examination of their credentials and an upholding of the legitimacy of the process. When you're determining whether positions are redundant, there's no psychometric involvement, right? Because you're talking about the legitimate managerial needs of particular positions. You're not talking about incumbents. You then, once you've done that initial assessment and job sizing, go through and determine who is best suited for that position. And that, I think, is no different from a recruitment process, and the same obligations apply. Is it legitimate to collect this information for this purpose? And whether you're assessing someone's suitability for a resized job, that's the same as assessing a new candidate for that job. Is there science around the psychometric testing? Is it necessary and relevant and proportional for the position that you're recruiting for?